Hi, my name's Rich Harrington, and in this course, I'll walk you through how to work with Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, this isn't a class for all video editors. In fact, it's for people who don't necessarily think of themselves as video editors. It's a chance to get you started with all the core skills you need to edit a video without a lot of fluff. And along the way, I'll make sure to use analogies and examples that are clear to those of you who are more familiar with Adobe tools like Photoshop than you are with Premiere Pro. In this course, we're going to explore a variety of concepts, including how to approach video editing, walking you through the theory behind it, as well as how to get your media organized on your hard drive so it's easy to find. We'll then talk about setting up your project and what settings matter so that the video is easy to edit and takes advantage of any hardware boosts your system may offer. We'll then look at putting the clips into sequence and changing their order to tell a story. Every video shot benefits from color correction, so I'll show you different techniques that you can use to fix the exposure, contrast, tone, and saturation. We'll then take a look at improving the overall balance of the audio and getting consistent audio levels so the video is easy to understand with the right mixture between dialogue and music. We'll take a quick look at graphics, such as bringing in a Photoshop file and using the built-in Essential Graphics panel to enhance your video. And then you'll learn how to export the video to web-friendly formats that are ready to share. We've got a lot of great things to cover, so go ahead and download those exercise files and let's get started.